Hey folks, today we're talking about laser cut stacking. Stacking is a way to create 3D shapes out of 2D parts. Since the laser cutter is only capable of making 2D parts, we need to make a whole bunch of them before we can stack them into a 3D shape. In order to generate the files for this, we have to use an online tool that slices up a 3D object into layers. Once we have all those layers, we can run each individual laser cut through the machine and glue all the layers together. You can see this piece is a topographic map made up of layers that show each elevation. The layers can function as topography lines, showing different elevation levels. Everything that's on this layer is on the same height as this layer. You can also see that we've laser cut a little boat to go in here, which shows that this is a waterway. What will you make with laser cut stacking?